Hey guys, today we are going to be creating some new looks and some artbooks. So yeah, before we start, I'm just going to change my outfit quickly. So, I don't know what I'm going to wear, I just want to... Okay, so I don't know what hair to have. I'm gonna have this hair. I'm going to... I'm gonna have that one today. And I'm going to have this. With these shoes and I'm wondering what shorts to have. I'm gonna have these shorts, and I'm going to this top's really cute, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. I think I'm gonna go for a crop top. I think I'm gonna go for this. I think this is really cute. Okay, so I'm going to just look at my messages quickly. Sorry if you can hear like stuff in the background. I'm watching a movie right now, so yeah. Well, the TV is on, so. Okay, so I'm going to create a look. So, then I'm going to create some other looks of other people. So the first one's going to be like a mermaid look. Shout out to Slime657889 for shout out to this girl for giving me this cute mermaid hair. I'm gonna have maybe this. Maybe this. And then I don't know what to have for shoes. I think I want these shoes. They look really like sparkly, like mermaidy. This looks like the most like mermaidy one out of all of these, so just go for that. And I think I want either this top or this top. I'm gonna have this top. I'm gonna name it Mermaid. So I will show you guys my looks I've created recently. So the first ever look I created was on the 2nd of March, and it's this outfit. I thought it would be cute, but honestly now I just think it's really trashy. And this outfit was I made this one on the 3rd of March. I kind of like this one. This was also on the 3rd of March. And this was on the 10th of March. So, yeah, now I've created a look. I think I want to create a look of my best friend. aka Slime. So let's go to her profile quickly. So let's create a look. Create a look of Slime. Okay. So let's take off her amazing outfit she has on. Oh, by the way, this top I'm gonna keep on because on my backup account, which is Slime747, I actually hang on. This top is actually on my wish list, so I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna take it off for now though. So I love all of her hairs. I think I want this hair though. This hair, yeah. This hair is probably my favorite because yeah, it's 6 diamonds. I only have one, and my VIP membership by now. My Star VIP membership by now. So I think I'm digging these socks. I'm digging them. I also think these look really cute with the outfit. There's no problem having the socks. It's gonna get covered up anyway. These are like to die for. Like, let's be real here. Actually think I want these, and maybe I could get like these trainers or something, and maybe this top. That looks kind of cute. Okay guys, I'm back, and now I'm going to be creating one art book, only one. So yeah, I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to put my besties. So yes, I know she's one of them, and I'm just going to see who else are my besties. So I have this girl. Her name is Bella. Bella. She has like this bracket thing. She has like this thing. So let's just shut this up quickly. So Bella. Let's hang on. Okay, so sorry about that. And the other one is Bagnar, but she's my best friend, but she's the same person, so it's not the point of putting her in there. So I like all these outfits, but I think I want to change her. I'm not really liking the rainbow kind of look on her eyes. I think it looks personally a bit creepy, but like she can do what she wants to do. But I don't think it's that nice, to be honest. But I can't really go with it, so we're just gonna have to do it. Okay, so she has 3 pages of hair. She likes dark colors. She has some very unique hair. I guess you could say. I kind of like this hair. She has the drip hat, so I think I want to go with that. But I think I want a different hair now, because it looks kind of weird. So I think I want to go with this. That looks cute. Maybe these and some shorts. Then maybe this sweater looks really cute. So this out. Okay. I'm gonna be in the middle because they're my best friends. So I'm gonna maybe oh, look how happy she looks. Let's look at her animation she has. I know she has quite a lot of animations. That's so cute, guys. Slay. Now let's get this animation. She doesn't have any animation, so I'm just gonna do a dance move on her and maybe make her face a bit better, if you know what I'm talking about. That kind of looks cute, but I don't really like the eyes she has. And I'm gonna have a surprise face. Because I feel like I should have something different because I'm the one in the middle. So I feel like I should stand out a bit more. This. Bestie. No, oh my god, best. Wow, Daisy. Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mwah.